If you want to manifest that thing, you need to work silently. If kaya te, wala ka munang dapat pagsabihan hanggat hindi pa yan established. Hanggat hindi pa yan nagkakatotoo te, work silently. This is not just woo-woo type te, but if you work silently te, meron kasing delayed dopamine, merong delayed validation. And with those delayed validation te, since hindi pa nalalaman ng ibang tao, parang mas nakakapagpursige ka na i-continue yan or to achieve that thing. Kasi nahihiya ka na wala kang mapatunayan sa ibang tao. Andun na yung parang nagpapa-self-validate ka sa ibang tao te, but sometimes you need to use it as a drive to keep continue and to keep that pride sa sarili mo na kailangan ko yung simulan kasi ganto. You know what I mean? Also te, pansin ko lang based on my own experience, the more I work silently, like parang wala akong sinasabihan te, the more na nagkakatotoo. The more na parang ang bilis ko makita sa reality ko. Like experience it faster when I don't, speak it with someone. Kasi te, maybe less evil eye, less negative energy, less opinion ng ibang tao na baka may masabi pa sila na ganyan kasi yan, hindi yan possible, na imposible yan. You know what I mean te? So if ikaw lang muna ting nakakaalam, like kinikim-kim mo lang muna te, lahat ng opinion mo is wala munang nakaka-influence nun. Wala mo nang magsasabi sa'yo ng negative na baka sobrang delusional ka lang kasi since sa'yo lang muna nanggaling te yung goals mo, inako mo lang muna. At sa'yo te is fresh and para sa'yo lahat is possible. It's just a reminder te na if kaya, i-zipper muna ang mouth te, please lang te. Akuin muna te, sarilihin mo muna te yung goal mo na yan te. Like protect something that you don't want to lose. Wala namang mawawala sa'yo te if hindi mo muna sasabihin, diba? And alam mo talaga mas exciting na parang saka mo ma-achieve yung isang bagay, ikaw muna yung nakatikim and naka-witness lahat ng mga hard work mo bago yung ibang tao. You know what, 99% of videos din na in-upload ko, hindi yan timely. Like yung pag-upload ko, hindi yan yung time na andun din mismo ako sa place na yan or yung date na yan is hindi talaga timely. Like hindi siya updated. Lahat ng mga in-upload kong video ko is late siya. Kasi I know hindi lang ako yung parang ayokong na-monitor ako real time. Gusto ko yung nakaka-monitor lang sa akin yung mga taong talagang nagmamatter or importante sa akin and I trust talaga sila. That's all. Time for more.